Indulge your sweet tooth with these mouthwatering dessert recipes that promise to delight your taste buds and impress your guests. Whether you're an experienced baker or a novice in the kitchen, these delectable desserts are easy to follow and sure to make any occasion special. 1. Chocolate lava cake. This decadent dessert features a rich, molten chocolate center that flows out when you cut into it. Ingredients: half a cup unsalted butter, 4 ounces dark chocolate, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, 6 tablespoons flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt. Directions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease 4 ramekins with butter and dust with cocoa powder. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the butter and dark chocolate together. Stir until smooth. Add powdered sugar, followed by the whole eggs and yolks, mixing well after each addition. Stir in flour, vanilla, and salt until combined. Divide the batter evenly among the ramekins. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes until the edges are set, but the centers are still soft. Let cool for a minute before inverting onto plates. Serve with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. 2. Classic tiramisu. Layers of coffee-soaked lady fingers, mascarpone cream, and cocoa powder make this Italian dessert a timeless favorite. Ingredients: 6 egg yolks, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 8 ounces mascarpone cheese, 1½ cups heavy cream, 2 cups brewed espresso or strong coffee, 2 tablespoons coffee liqueur, 2 packages ladyfingers, cocoa powder for dusting. Directions: in a heat-proof bowl, whisk together egg yolks and sugar. Place over a pot of simmering water and whisk until thick and pale. Remove from heat and beat in mascarpone until smooth. In a separate bowl, whip heavy cream to stiff peaks and fold into mascarpone mixture. In a shallow dish, combine espresso and coffee liqueur. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the coffee mixture and arrange in a single layer in a baking dish. Spread half of the mascarpone mixture over the ladyfingers. Repeat with another layer of dipped ladyfingers and remaining mascarpone mixture. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Dust with cocoa powder before serving. 3. Lemon Blueberry Cheesecake Bars. These bars combine the tartness of lemon with the sweetness of blueberries and creaminess of cheesecake, making them a perfect summer treat. Ingredients: 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup sugar, half a cup melted butter, 16-ounce cream cheese, 1 cup sugar, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup lemon juice, zest of 1 lemon, 1 cup fresh blueberries. Directions: preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 9x9-inch baking pan with parchment paper. In a bowl, combine graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. Press mixture into the bottom of the prepared pan. In a large bowl, beat cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in lemon juice and zest. Gently fold in blueberries. Pour the cheesecake mixture over the crust in the pan. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until the center is set. Let cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours before cutting into bars. Enjoy these irresistible desserts with family and friends, and make every moment a sweet celebration.